What's up, guys? It's Trinity here.
What's up, guys? It's Trinity here and Jason. You know why I have Jason here? It's
Why?
because Dad is doing something downstairs in the box fort.
What's he doing?
He's probably building it.
We were building it earlier, so he's probably
That'd be a good thing to build it.
adding something special.
We can't have a box fort if we don't build one.
So today we are doing the mystery. Don't pick the wrong lunchbox slime challenge.
With Switch Up.
Wow,
Yes!
that's so confusing. All right, how does it work, Trin?
So there's 2 lunchboxes. I get one and Jason gets one.
We'll get those in just
And
a
then I'm
minute.
gonna steal Trinity's.
Ooh, so we take turns picking.
Then I could keep or I could switch. Jason could keep or he could switch. Let's get on.
All right, we got our lunch boxes. Shopkins,
this.
LOL.
Cool Shopkins one. It says let's. What's it say?
What does it
I
say?
can't see it.
Let's fiesta.
Let's fiesta.
Do you know what that means, Trin?
What?
Party.
Party.
LOL.
LOL.
This one can go like this. Or like
Oh,
this.
and you can open the LOL.
Look. Cool. Which one is better?
I like this one.
Because it's mine.
I like this one. Guys, which one do you think is better? LOLs or Shopkins?
Shopkins.
Tell me down in the comments, guys. I don't know who's gonna go first, me or Jason.
How are we
I
gonna
think
decide?
I'm gonna do rock, paper, scissors.
Ooh, that is a good way. Okay, so
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
oh, he won. I was just gonna say the winner gets to go
Paper
first.
covers rock. All right.
So is Jason gonna switch or keep?
I'm switching.
Ooh. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Open them up.
Nothing?
Let me see. Let me see this. Oh, she figured
What?
it out. Well, what'd you get?
Guys, that one has 2 spots.
It does. So it wasn't in this first spot, but it was in the second spot.
It was pink glue.
Pink glue. And then what Jason get?
Silver glue.
Oh.
But those are still both really good colors.
Like this one makes like a galaxy if they were mixed
If they mix
together.
those two together.
All right, you guys, we are going to put our glues in.
Man, that silver is probably my favorite. Look at that, Jason's making a swirly. Trin over here on the other hand, what are you doing?
All right, you guys, Jason went first last time, so it's my turn.
Okay, so you've got the Shopkin one and he's got the LOL.
So she can keep the Shopkins or switch for the LOL.
She's gonna switch, guys.
Switch.
She's switching it up. All right, 1, 2, 3, open them up.
Oh.
Oh, what did Jason get? Oh, wait.
No! No!
Trin got the black.
No!
Blue.
Ooh.
I got black. I don't like black.
It
It's
might
not
look
really
good.
a color.
She's gonna have like sparkly pink black. What do pink and black make, Trin?
Just black, because black is dark.
Is it just gonna take over?
Just gonna take over just like Dad's black slime. If you guys seen that video, Dad made black slime with other colors and it turned out all the way black.
It looked pretty cool.
It did
though.
look
I
pretty
like
cool,
the black
though.
slime.
Yeah.
I think it had like red and green like
Little
sparkles
speckles
in it.
Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness.
This looks like a witch. You look
It's
witch.
so dark, but it's so shimmery. Wow, Trin. It looks so black.
It looks like a sea slug.
A sea slug.
That sea slug.
Do you guys think that looks like a sea slug?
Well, they're big black things and they don't have glitter, but they're just black and they're weird.
Where'd you learn that from?
Coyote, he caught
Who?
one. Coyote.
Coyote Peterson. Is he one of your favorite YouTubers?
Yes, I gotta meet him.
Yeah, girl.
All right, guys, my turn again.
Oh, all right. Jason's up. So, Shopkins, LOL. It's a tough decision.
Oh man, I think I've been having good luck with this one. I got a pretty blue last time, so
Ooh, yeah.
I'm keeping.
Ooh, all right. Because Trin wanted her LOL though, but what's inside? I don't know either.
Nothing.
Nothing. Jason got nothing. He's got to check that mystery pouch down there.
What?
An apple?
This isn't slime.
What? You got an apple in your lunchbox? Whoa. Caught it.
Check
What'd
it out,
Jason
guys.
get?
I got glittery gem beads.
Really?
Hey. It's what you would find in a lunchbox that was an apple.
Apple slime.
Apple slime.
I guess I have to put in slime.
That's gonna be interesting. So you're gonna put an apple in, and Jason gets to put gems. You ready?
Here we go, guys.
That looks cool.
Oh,
Get
that
all
looks
my
so
gems in here.
pretty. Ooh.
Now I have to put my apple in.
How you like that apple back to school, girl?
Ugh, she says, ugh.
All right, let's see it. Put it in.
Yay!
Oh. Look
It's
at
like
that.
a poison apple.
It's like an apple you'd find on Snow White. Ooh, but it looks so shimmery.
Now
That looks pretty
what?
cool.
It's like a candied apple, but with slime.
Ben's got the LOL again.
It
What's
is
she gonna
Trin's
choose?
turn.
I'm gonna keep.
Do you want to keep?
You think your luck's gonna turn around?
Because what did you just get? You got an apple.
I mean, it can't get much worse than that, right, guys?
That's true.
I can try it.
Are you going to try it?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let's see what they get.
Oh,
He's up.
No!
You poor thing.
purple, her favorite color.
Her favorite
No!
color.
I
Shoulda
want to
traded.
switch!
You should have tried.
Should have switched.
Should have
switched
switched.
it up.
So we got red and purple. What's so wrong with red, Trin?
I mean, I don't like it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna pour the glue straight onto the apple.
Are you?
Yep.
Ooh, cover it.
Cover it, girl. Let's see it. Ew.
It's like a jelly apple.
A jelly apple.
I'm gonna pour it on this. Oh, yay! I mean, it looks cool.
All right. Ooh, this is gonna look so pretty. We got pink, gems, and blue, and purple, and silver glue.
Trin wants
Last-
to keep,
Round. Last round.
but she's been doing pretty
She doesn't
bad with
have-
the LOLs, so
That's
I'm gonna
right.
switch it
No!
Oh,
just because
no.
I can.
Oh no.
All right, ready?
The
3,
anticipation.
2, 1.
Go. Ooh. Ooh. What? What is this?
This isn't slime.
This isn't slime, but it is the key ingredient to make slime. What
Does
is
that
it?
mean we're done?
What is it? It's just water.
Share the love. No, is this is Gatorade?
Activator?
Activator.
Activator.
Stand up, singer.
Boom. Thumbs up.
If you guys haven't already done it, give us a huge thumbs up.
Oh no.
That's why I told you. I was gonna tell you not to do that one.
She's like, I'm done. I'm done with this.
Let's mix.
All right.
Ooh.
I don't think the
Oh, that looks so pretty. That's like mermaid slime. That's what that is.
I don't think.
This, I'm not quite sure what's going on here. But hopefully it turns
Mix
out.
that apple up good, Trin.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That looks silly.
Oh my god.
My goodness, I wonder who is going to be. Oh, look at how pretty that is.
That's cool.
All right.
All right, Trin. Should we do a slime reveal?
In 3, 2, 1, boom! Alright, you guys, we are back, and this is my slime, except it's got an apple in it.
What?
What?
It looks like normal slime, except there's a giant apple in the middle of it.
Let's
That looks cool. Look. It's just shiny black slime, and then
Shiny black.
Jason's
Guys,
over
check
here.
out this mermaid slime over here.
That's what we
We
call
got
it.
the pink sparkles. We got the blue and the silver.
Ooh.
Purple kind of disappeared, but
Yeah.
still really cool.
That looks really
We
pretty.
don't need that apple. But I gotta take this apple out because I can make bubbles with an apple get my slime.
No way, girl. Should we do a bubble contest?
Yeah.
All right.
So Jason will go first.
Trin will go first.
Jason.
He needs someone professional to show him how it's done.
Right. He doesn't know.
Boom! Look at that. That was perfect.
Whoa.
Oh, but Jason's popped.
Wait.
Oh.
Donut. Aw.
Alright, you guys, whose slime is better? My black slime that stretches super far?
Whoa.
Or is it Jason's mermaid slime with the glitter that makes huge bubbles? Alright, you guys, so tell me down in the comments whose was better. Mine or Jason's? Tell me down below. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.